Kia ora koutou, ko Nick O, ko he kaiako o Rahiri, kura o Rahiri, Russell Street School in Papaioia, Palmerston North, and this was haka I brought from Coley Street School in Foxton, from the fire piki composed out there, and we've brought it across to Russell Street School, which we're using for Pai Tamariki this year, and we have done for a long time, 9 years since I've been here. So this is just a breakdown of the parts, so you can learn it for our Pai Tamariki performance coming up later on this term. Okay, so just standing back here, so again, be ready, and then the leader will say Papaki taha, and that's when we go taha, hu. Okay, and then you stay until the leader says again tēnei takaia, and then the leader will do 2 beats of the taka here. Okay, after that, go to the right. Okay, up on the right side. Porangi nui. Me papa tua nuku ngā matua hi. And then out the front. Ti mata mai ai. Here's where you pukana. Okay, keep that going until the leader says Ko te Pikinga hi. Okay, and on that he, so it'll be Ko te Pikinga hi. Come back in. Ko te Pikinga, and to the left this time. Hi. Te ropu e karanga nei. Yo, oh, oh, ha, hoo. As you go down, you can come down like this. Reach out to a pukana. Stare down your audience. I awhine ngā tonga. Tuku iho awhine ngā tonga o te iwi Māori. And then you're going to slap the ground 3 times. And finish up. Mā te whakapono, this is the leader. Mā te whakapono e puta mai ai. Oh, and then we come in. Ko taku mana, so you're going to do 2 there. Ko taku mana, come up. Taku e he, muri ora. Hi ha ha. Ora, then you're going to come to the side. Ora katu te ihi katu te wana. And then you're going to come, swing back round to the front. Te rangi, like up here. Aha tui one, aha tui one. Ai o e. He. And ropes will fill you in on that last bit. Ai o e. He. Ai o e. He. There's 4 counts there, but we'll practice that. Okay, ka pai. Kia ora.